So to start off my next video, I'm going to show you what the house was like beforehand. Now, we bought this back in 2019 as a first time buyer of a house to rent. Should have probably guessed with the plug inside the cupboard that it was a bad move. I'm not going to say bad move because there's been a lot learned in this one here. Now on to where we are currently with this house. We're into the kitchen, ripping everything out, and I have prepared a few videos over the last few days of me eventually into the kitchen. Now, again, the whole floor, as my suspicions were correct, is rotten throughout. We've managed to fix the living room, and the frame is into the hall, and we're ripping out the kitchen just now and going back to brick basically because everything's rotten, and you can see the seal underneath the house is not sealed. So we're going to replace that with some damp-proof membrane and damp-proof membrane paint, and get that sealed again properly. So basically there is a few shockers that I found in this kitchen over the last few days, and I have an electrician friend going to come and fix it for us, as what we did find was a little bit concerning. So we have a cooker hood here that has metal plate at the back that looks like a splash panel. It was stuck over the top of the tiles and was just basically glued in place. So it could have fell on anybody who was using the cooker. We managed to rip it off. All of the units were only connected by them 2 points at the top. Now, if you've got a load of dishes and stuff in there, this is only a single concrete wall. It's not a double concrete wall or anything like that, so I wouldn't want to be putting too much weight on it myself. Yes, so rip everything back to brick and we will get it sorted. So I'm going to speed up the next few clips, and it's from some shoddy electrics. Again, I am not a professional. This is not electric advice, this is not property selling or investing advice. This is just basically, I am doing this all myself, and I'm finding some shockers along the way, and it's a kind of, if you're unsure, ask a professional. I have a few professional friends who are giving me a hand with the necessary fixing of said electrics and whatnot there. I'm not going to do anything myself. I'm happy to rip things out while the power is off and have electricians, professionals do it properly for me at the end. And fingers crossed we get this property back to where it should be and sold back on the market. To do my first review on the round recycler saw. Take a chunk out of this. Lovely old dead sink. So now onto the electrical shockers. The cooker hood, a few plugs and some halogen lights were all connected through the one port coming out the wall, and apparently it's a kitchen fitter's bodge job, and they all do it apparently. So again, I'm ripping this out myself with an electrician that's going to rewire everything for me and start again from scratch. And again, the cooker plug is inside the cupboard. If everything fell down and a spark was done, that would catch fire quite quick. Not a fan. Again, I'm not a professional, but I don't think it should be done this way. So now, everything was ripped out. We're back to a basic shell of a kitchen, and we will go from there. I just need to rebuild the floor first, and then I will get new units or reuse what I can of the old units as well. Again, if you like these videos, please give a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Any comments, please leave them down. If I'm doing anything wrong or doing anything that offends anyone, please let me know. Apart from that, thanks again for watching, and all the best.